Welcome to the Russian Orsis weapons factory. Orsis demonstrates a new approach to weapons manufacturing, innovative technical solutions, modern numerically controlled equipment pool, high-precision metalwork, ongoing quality control. Now you will be able to see with your own eyes how high-precision Orsis rifles are manufactured. The manufacturing process of Orsis rifle barrels includes only high-quality materials. Those are special deep-hole drilling tools. The drill diameter is the future caliber. 4 machine tools simultaneously drill bores in barrel blanks about 1 meter long. The Orsis factory manufactures barrels with calibers from 5.6 to 20 millimeters. Here, a barrel outer contour is shaped. That's what we see from the outside. Orsis produces several basic barrel contours. It is also possible to shape a contour according to an individual order. The next operation is barrel bore reaming. That is how the final caliber is formed. A multiple cutting-edge tool leaves an almost polished bore surface. And now rifling can be started. In the single pass cutting, a special cutting tool cuts only one groove during every pass through the bore. About 80 to 100 such passes are necessary. It is possible to make barrels with any groove inclination, including gain twist, and with any groove's profile and number, to include uneven. Chamber reaming is the most difficult operation in the production process. Barrel blanks are seated with the precision up to 2 micrometers as to rifling land's diameter. It allows achieving maximal centrality of the chamber and bore. Orsis production process involves a lot of handwork. A barrel goes through several stages of lapping or reboring. First, rough polishing with a lead lap. Then, treatment with abrasive polishing paste. And finally, preliminary polishing. Bore quality control is conducted at every production phase, both at workshops and at the quality control department with the use of bore scope. Orsis barrels can have either dull or polished surface. Besides, at the client's desire, a barrel can be fluted. The same workshop turns muzzle brakes of original Orsis design. The Action Workshop produces everything that is related to receivers and trigger mechanisms. Automated milling centers machine stainless martensitic steel. Electric erosion machining allows receiver manufacturing from a solid steel blank. This enhances structural rigidity of construction. The combination of innovative automated equipment and crafty hands of qualified weaponsmiths ensure a stable high quality of Orsis weapons. Action components are made of stainless steels that go through heat treatment to achieve the desired hardness and high strength characteristics. Metal hardening is an important and sensitive process. At certain phases, a refrigeration treatment is required. And certain rifle parts go through a 2-stage heat treatment. Finishing operations are accomplished when the steel is already hardened. During the production process, quality control is effected after every operation. Orsis rifles are fitted with high-quality kinetic-type trigger mechanisms. Trigger mechanism body is integrally machined from hardened stainless steel. Complicated configuration details are made at the electric erosion machining workshop. Molybdenum wire cuts profiles that cannot be cut by a milling machine. Orsis rifle manufacturing involves a lot of handwork. Before going into the assembly workshop, the details of every rifle pass through the dozens of hands of experienced and skilled gunsmiths. Stocks for hunting and sporting rifles are made of special weapons laminate and valuable wood. Here, machining with modern equipment is alternated with traditional woodwork. Every rifle with a wooden stock goes through the glass bedding procedure. A composite layer joins the stock and the receiver. 100% fit between barrel and stock increases firing accuracy. This stock is made of duralumin alloy. The use of this aircraft material allowed making a light, highly rigid structure. Every operation is followed by quality control. Details are checked for absence of deviations from calibrated values, and only after that they are sent to the next processing stage. Every detail is checked both at the workshop and at the quality control department with the use of digital and optical instruments. A permanent microclimate is maintained at the laboratory so that the measurements can be made in stable humidity and temperature. At the assembly workshop, all details are assembled into rifle nodes and components. This is mainly handwork that requires extensive experience and high skill from gunsmiths. Here, at the final assembly, a rifle becomes an organic whole, and after that, the functioning of all mechanisms are checked once again. But that is not the last phase. The Orsis factory has a resident ballistic laboratory. Each rifle is tested for accuracy, and the accuracy characteristics of any Orsis rifle must not be worse than 0.5 MOA. A target with accuracy test results is attached to a weapon's documentation. The weapon is ready. The only remaining thing to do is to clean the rifle and pack it into a case. That is how innovative, superb quality, reliable and high precision Orsis weapons are born.